Keep going, baby.
I wish the Cameron was straight, but he could never get a date. Cameron's such a fag. I don't mean to brag, but he's super fat and such a fat nag. He's a bitch,
And she's a cunt.
but his ass is meat punch.
And she's got a nasty vag.
Cameron smells like feet, nasty ass you cannot see. He's such a fat.
April likes to look at her mama in a two-piece bikini.
So going on YouTube.
April likes looking at her mama in a two-piece bikini.
I'm sorry, Cameron. Such a hag.
And I'm sorry, April.
Need to brag.
You have a nasty vag.
You think you bad fuck. You are like so nasty. I should've known.
And you look like a drag queen.
Bitch, you are ugly.
Ow! No! You can't put it on YouTube now.
YouTube.
You can't put it on.
Oh yeah. Suck
She's
it.
gross. She's so gross.
Vagina.
No, don't touch me.
You can't get vagina. You see.
She's gonna pop. She's gonna fucking pop in a minute.
She's gonna
Yeah,
fall.
thank you. That's a great audience. Fuck all of y'all.